Good morning friends and respected sir. My name is Suresh Kumar. Today our topic is cryptocurrency. According to my point of view, cryptocurrency is a digital money in which we are transfer our currency in digital way.
I agree with my friend. Cryptocurrency is a good phenomenon.
Yes, I agree with my friends. The most of the cryptocurrency come to the market and the changing ways of the payment.
Yes, I agree with my friend. We can invest our money for future in cryptocurrency, and we can change our currency in other countries' currency.
Yes, I agree with my friend. There are many types of cryptocurrency, but some cryptocurrencies are performing well, as like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Faircoins.
Yes, my friend, in my point of view, there are many. Yes, my friend, digital currency, it is a digital currency and it is a virtual type of currency which is regulated by computer networks.
I agree with Fred. Digital currency is the type of cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency we can transfer your money without any organization.
Exactly, I agree with you, my friend. Cryptocurrency is the disadvantage of cryptocurrency is that if we forget your password, then we cannot use your data and money.
I respect my former speaker. In my point of view, cryptocurrency is a digital currency and it is the easiest method of to transaction our money.
I agree with you, my friend. The transaction process of cryptocurrency is very easy. So many illegal transactions are held by in on cryptocurrency.
Yes, I agree with friend. In the cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual kind of currency. Every person know about its terminology.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. Many types of cryptocurrency are also available in market like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Indians also representing its one cryptocurrency name is Lakshmi.
Yes, I agree with my friend. Cryptocurrency is removed from any transaction fees.
Yes, I agree with my friends. When cryptocurrency is the used to the across the world is a transforming money.
Yes, I agree with my friend. The cryptocurrency is free from many frauds, and we can saving our money in cryptocurrency.
Yes, I agree with my friend. The cryptocurrency is only online because it is a digital money. We cannot do it with physically.
Yes, my friend, in my point of view, there is no need of any middleman and any bank or organization. We can share our money across the border.
I agree with Fred. The first cryptocurrency was started in 2008 as a Bitcoin.
Exactly, I agree with you, my friend. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency about which people are not aware, so it is our moral duty to aware people about it.
I respect my former speaker. In my point of view, due to cryptocurrency, many businessmen are also helpful for us because they have requirement of high amount of money, so they easily transfer to by the help of cryptocurrency.
I agree with you, my friend. The reason of security, our government also unable to track our transactions.
Yes, I agree with friend. In our 2022-23 budget, Financial Minister Nirmala Sitharaman also posed to cryptocurrency in our currency.
Yes, I agree with my friend. Rupee in India, dollar in USA and euro in Europe, as like governments wants to implement it in whole countries as like these currencies.
I agree with my friend. The government
Cryptocurrency is a currency in which there are many illegal transactions and many cyber crimes are happen. So government should take right action to control it.
Cryptocurrency depends on the market price. Like recently we saw that in Russia-Ukraine war, the price of cryptocurrency is getting low.
Somehow you may be right, but in my point of view, due to cryptocurrency, many fraud cases are held in our country because many hackers are hack their transaction system.
I agree with my friend.
In my point of view, earlier RBI banned on it, but after Supreme Court verdict, it is in March 2020, it is legal process.
Yes,
Yes,
I agree
I agree with you.
cryptocurrency don't have a board of governments or industries, so the value of cryptocurrency is don't regulated.
Yes,
Yes, I agree with my friends.
if we
One
transfer
more.
one person to another person cryptocurrency, it is not easily to find who are sent this money and how many it is used.
I agree with
Yes,
you,
I
my
agree
friend.
with
After
you.
the awareness of the cryptocurrency, we should take advantages of cryptocurrency.
Yes, I agree
Yes, I
with my
agree
friends.
with
One more point, the
cryptocurrency
cryptocurrency
is
account is
also-
not hackers are not hacking.
I
to
respect
your
my
account.
former speaker. In my point of view, it is also attract the FDI. FDI means foreign direct investment because when we easily convert to transfer the other currencies.
Yes, I agree
Yes, I
with my
agree with
friend.
you.
If someone has a good
Yes,
idea
yes.
about the cryptocurrency, then he or she can invest in share market and also increase the GDP of a nation.
Yes, I agree with my friend. We have to spend time for increase our price in cryptocurrency.
I agree with my friend.
Disadvantage of cryptocurrency is
harmful
internet
effect.
instability and every person don't know about the cryptocurrency.
Yes,
I agree with my friend. Many of Indians are uneducated, so we should aware about this, and after the awareness, we should invest in cryptocurrency.
Yes, I agree with my friends. One more
Yes,
point, the cryptocurrency is a disadvantage of the illegal activities are also this is
I agree with my friend. Nowadays, cybercrime is a more serious issue in the India as well as the world. So we should aware about this.
Yes, I agree. Friend, in the present and the globalization time, cryptocurrency is a digital and virtual kind of currency. It is necessary for our country.
Yes, I agree with the fact that if a person wants to purchase a cryptocurrency, so should have as like digital as computer laptops. So
I agree with you, my
don't have digital and laptops, so it is a disadvantage of cryptocurrency.
I agree with you, my friend.
But the
Transaction
Indian
fees
is
or
still uneducated and they do not know how to use it. So our Indian government make a awareness program and each and every person take participate in it.
Yes, it is based on computer network system and it is regulated by computer network system. It is not regulated any authority in any bank and any country.
Yes, I agree. Friend, cryptocurrency
Easily in any country money like USA dollar and Indian rupee.
I agree with you, my friend. The transaction fees of cryptocurrency in a very negligible and or zero amount.
Yes, I agree with the cryptocurrency is a peer-to-peer system. So through the cryptocurrencies, we are purchase goods and services.
My point of view, India is a still developing country, so there are no awareness in the village people for due to cryptocurrency.
Yes,
Actually,
sir,
I agree with my friend. I want to
if
say
we transfer our money by mistake, it is not easily to refund and declining.
Yes, I agree with
my point
the
of view, it works on blockchain technology system, so it is impossible for hacker to hack it.
yes, I agree with the fact that less transactions fees than other transaction systems.
Actually, I agree with that in cryptocurrency many people are not aware about them. So our government should a right decision to aware people about their cryptocurrency.
I respect my former speaker. In my point of view, due to lack of awareness, many people are invest their money in share market, so they face sadness.
Yes, my friend, in my point of view, many people can sell or buy crypto Bitcoin from CoinSwitch Kuber app. There is many apps are also available on the market.
I agree with you, my friend. In cryptocurrency investment, we don't need of any trusted authority like banks.
Yes, I agree with that. Every person don't know about the cryptocurrencies, so he wants to purchase a cryptocurrency and he lost her money.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. We did not easily depend on cryptocurrency. We can take examples of share market in Ukraine-Russia wars. Many up downs also coming in share market, and many people are face loss in cryptocurrency.
Yes, I agree with friend. In the present time, cryptocurrency has some harmful effect. If we lost our card and code, so it will harmful of our money.
I agree with you, my friend. The cryptocurrency is also a cause of increased cyber crimes in the world.
Yes, I agree with that. Our government
depends on the password security. If we forget our password, that shows the lack of security in cryptocurrency.
Yes, I agree with the cryptocurrency have less transaction fees and more secure than other transactions.
Actually, I agree with my friend. Cryptocurrency is banned in your country, but now it is.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. It
started.
is also increasing by cryptocurrency because a person invest in America and also remove its money in India.
Yes, my friend, there is many such activities and criminal activities are also included because it does not disclose who is sender of money and who is receiver of money.
I agree with my friend. Many government and industrialists also use it to convert money into other countries' currency.
Yes, I agree with my friends. One more point: the RBI is banned in the cryptocurrency, but the Supreme Court is allowed.
Yes, I agree with the government wants to implement cryptocurrency in whole countries.
I respect my former speaker. In my point of view, India, due to cryptocurrency, in many countries, there are also good relationship between India and other countries.
Actually, I agree with you, my friend. If someone have no idea about the cryptocurrency, then they should not invest in cryptocurrency because they lost their money.
Yes, and in my point of view, there is some people say that it is a gambling because sometimes it is prices are high and sometimes it is prices are low. Then people lost their money and it is beneficial for also them.
Yes,
I agree with that. I let some more point.
Depend on market price.
Yes, I agree, friend. In the cryptocurrency is beneficial for our it is a online safe and secure Paytm.
Yes, I agree
with
with the cryptocurrency is beneficial for those persons who know about the cryptocurrency.
I agree with you, my friend. Many illegal transactions are held on cryptocurrency, like buying drugs, weapons, etc.
Yes, I agree
my
with
point
the
of view, government should aware the people about use of digital currency.
Actually, I agree with my friend. Cryptocurrency is also increasing the terrorism in our India.
Other programs.
Yes, I agree with my friends. One more point: according to my opinion, is cryptocurrency is not deceived too easily.
Yes, I agree with the friend. Cryptocurrency is gaining a good position.
I agree with my friend.
I had some more points.
Cryptocurrency has less
Cryptocurrency-
hacking systems than other transaction systems.
I agree with you, my friend. Cryptocurrency not has any refund and cancellation policy.
Yes, my friend, I agree with you. Some people are attracted due to share market by cryptocurrency, and they get lost because they do not know the cryptocurrency gave a lot of loss and as well as lot of profit.
Yes,
Yes,
friend,
sir.
it is a market by
Government
Japan in
also-
2019 and many developed countries are using digital currency.
Yes, I agree, friend. In the present time, cryptocurrency is used to one border to another border.
Absolutely, I agree with you, my
my
friend.
point of view, government is also increase awareness to the peoples like that. Some programs like that, Atmanirbhar Bharat. Due to Atmanirbhar Bharat, they give the package to the in education sector, invest the education sector and awareness of the peoples.
I agree, friend. In rural area, most of people are not aware the cryptocurrency. So government has aware to people.